You going on YouTube. Don't slap my hand.
That's not it. That's not it.
He gonna slap my damn hand.
He's not gonna slap you.
He is. He's swiping
On top
already.
of the CD.
Where is it?
Right there. Wait a minute, Apollo. Get your toy. You can do it. Good boy.
Let's sitting there waiting for it again. If you swipe my fucking hand.
Sit down, Apollo.
Oh my God. Would you stop? Fucking nutty ass cat.
Wow.
You would think he was a damn dog.
Oh, go around that way so it can sit closer.
He gonna smack it at me.
Oh, good boy.
Ooh, I'm sorry. I kicked the dog, the cat. I'm sorry. You wait a minute.
Come around so they can sit.
You're silly.
Oh.
You keep making me get it. God.
He's not gonna scratch you. He's all excited about it.
Look now.
I said, come on. Get your toy. Get your toy. Get that toy. Get it, Apollo. Almost. Good boy. Good boy.
Simple cat.
Huh?
That's a silly cat.
But you could just prompt him to do it. He'll just go right for it.
It should have slapped my hand.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Can you wait? Ow! I told you you was gonna fucking scratch me. You little bitch. Get down. Little motherfucker. Scratch my damn knuckles. Because he scratched my damn knuckles. You'd have called him all kinds of motherfuckers, hoes, and bitches. He scratched you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you scratched me. He wants your plate.
Why am I got all these stones?
Get your toy. Get it.
Did you get it? Let me see. Did you tape it?
No.
Huh? Oh.
Get it. Jack my damn fingers up. That's what he did. Would you get the damn toy? Where's your toy? You want it? You want it? Go get it. Oh, I'm tired. Come on. Go get it.
She thinks she's doing something now.
You want to be on television? Where's your toy?
Oh, with a capital one, yeah. Are you collecting gifts?
Lazy ass.